Pragnya? Pragnya. Except Pragnya, no one will tell, no, everyone will be on mute, okay? Everyone, except Pragnya. Pragnya, in last class, what we have learned?
We have learned on front and back, front side and back side of LED screen, and
Which LED screen?
what are the parts in LED screen?
Which
And what
LED?
are the parts?
Which LED screen?
Ma'am, half of the video I did not get the voice, ma'am. That was call was not there.
We have shared you one video also, one link. In that you can again see the full class.
I did not get that.
In WhatsApp group we send it. Okay, Punna Rao. In last class, what we have learned?
About the front side and back side of LED screen.
Which LED screen? I'm asking which LED screen? Nishita Rego, you can off your video, Punna Rao. Nishita. Okay, Ashwin.
Yes, ma'am.
What we have learned in last class?
We have learned about the front and back side. We have learned about the LEDs in microbit, and we have learned about the smiley switch program in microbit, and we have learned the dice, ma'am.
Dice, yeah. Sahana.
Ma'am, we have learned about microbit, how microbit, what we say, how a microbit back and front
works.
How a microbit works, and about transmitter, and about the functions, what it can do, and we have learned about the programs, what we can make, some dice and etc.
Okay, so how many sensors are there in microbit LED chip? How many sensors are there? Anyone can answer.
Two sensors.
Only two sensors. Name?
Four.
Name. I'm asking the names of sensor. How many sensor? Ashwin, Punna Rao, Sahana, Pragnya. Princey. No one. Shall I explain again about sensor? Answer it. Shall I explain again about sensors? Okay, so we will be having a brief description about sensors. I'll show you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you are able to see, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
We have learned the labels of microbit and what is microbit. Yes. You are able to see?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now we.
Now
Now we can see, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Now we.
Yes, ma'am.
we have
Yes,
learned
ma'am. Now we can.
what is microbit and the levels of microbit, how many levels are there. And one more
Yes.
thing I want to share with you, some people are doing different types of, like, we are learning
Ma'am.
microbit. They are, yes, yes, see, yes. Some people are doing like extra. We are teaching you microbit, but they are going to Minecraft, add fruit, Lego Mindstorm. So please don't do this. If we are teaching you microbit, you should work on microbit only. After completion of this microbit, we are going to add fruit and Minecraft only. Okay. So first learn about microbit fully, then you can go to add fruit. Okay, without teaching, without permitting, don't go to others platforms. Okay, we have learned now microbit, what is microbit, and okay,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want to ask you some questions, uh, like you have to answer it.
Teacher.
What is a microbit?
Anyone
Ma'am,
can
micro.
answer, ma'am.
No, you have to introduce yourself and you have to answer.
Ma'am, I am Shushan, ma'am.
Yes, answer.
Microbit is a software where we can make anything, ma'am, like programming, show directions, show LEDs, like that, ma'am.
Full name of microbit? Anyone? Full name of microbit?
BBC.
Yes, full form?
Make
British Broadcasting. British
company.
Broadcasting
British Broadcasting.
Broadcasting Company. British Broadcasting.
See,
British
if you are
Broadcasting,
not
ma'am.
able to remember, yes, if you are not able to, I'm telling to everyone here, okay? If you are not able to remember the things, you can keep one notebook, you can write down,
Yes, ma'am.
okay? Write down this everything in your
Ma'am, I've
notebooks.
kept already, ma'am.
Yes. So now coming to our class, we have learned about microbit,
Yes.
how many parts are there, what is there, what is not there. See, 25 red lights are there. Those are LED lights. And don't call that one LED, what you are telling, LED lights, right? It's a microbit chip, not LED light, okay? Microbit chip. In that we have LED lights, okay? And two programmable buttons, A and B, that can be used to start the program and stop the program. Okay, a thermistor sensor, okay, a light sensor, a accelerometer sensor, a magnetometer sensor. Okay, see, this is the part. Now please everyone remember this, what I'm going to tell you. You can write down. We have two buttons. You can write like this. In microbit chip, we have two buttons, A button and B button. We use this button to stop the program and to start the program. Okay. 25 LED lights we have to flash the message. Why we are using this LED light? To flash the message, any image, anything. We have USB connected to charge, to download the program. Okay. We have USB connected to download the program, and here we have battery socket. Okay. Back side, and in front side we have USB connector. And we have processor to process the program, compass, accelerometer sensor, radio and Bluetooth antenna to work in music, and Bluetooth to share our program. Like if you are not using your USB connector, you can directly on your Bluetooth and system Bluetooth, and you can share the program. Reset button, battery socket. Okay. Now please don't forget. You can see I'll give you just some 30 seconds. See this slide and write down, all of you. I can ask any time. Done?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Teacher,
Yes.
we have 3 sensors, no ma'am?
Yes. Accelerometer sensor and magnetometer sensor and light sensor, thermistor, 4 sensor we have. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thermistor to check the temperature. Okay. Accelerometer sensor for shaking. We are if you shake, the program will be on. We are using
ma'am.
shake button, right?
Yes,
For
ma'am.
that we have accelerometer sensor. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am.
Life cycle we have learned. What is the life cycle of program? You have to design program. You have to design means you have to think what I'm going to do in this program. You have to edit means you have to write the program. Flash means compile and copy. If you are doing physically, then compile and copy, and then test. Okay. Then we have learned test your code. Okay. This is done. Now we are going for today's class. So once just I'll give you the smiley one, then we'll move to our program. Okay. We have to use forever. On start we can't use. Forever we'll use show let's smiley. And you can use direct icon. Okay, today I'll show you the icon. How can you use the icon? Here you are seeing this show icon, right? Take this show icon. Now click on this one. Here heart symbol is visible, right? You have to click on this one. Now you can take this smiley one. Okay. See the smiley is here. Now I want to flash this smiley. One time it should be happy and one time it should be sad. So what I'll do, pause for 1 second.
1 second.
Then again show icon. If you'll use on start one, I'll show you how it will work in on start. It will work only one time. See, only one time. Now, if I'll keep in forever, continuously flashing the emoji icons, right? So you have to use forever block in this. We will learn the side by side emoji. Side by side means
Ma'am,
Oh,
thoughts. Ma'am, can you show again the parts of microwave?
parts of microbit. I'll share you the link. You can see that particular image and you can write. Okay. Now again we
Okay,
can't go
ma'am.
back to that slide and I can't explain because everyone. Okay. So now we will learn the side by side emoji. How? Like staring one emojis. Some people have done already this one and they have shared the videos also to me, but everyone don't know, na? That's why I'm showing you. What we have to do? This is one eye, right? And this is what is this? What is
Mouth.
this?
Mouth.
Smiley.
The smile of a person.
Smiley. Smiley, ma'am.
Pause 1 second, okay?
Smiley, ma'am.
Now the same one you
Ma'am,
can
only one. Only is there, ma'am.
see.
Smiley,
I'll show
ma'am.
you how can you duplicate. Right click on this one, go to the show legs, right click and duplicate. Okay. Now keep this one after the pause second. Now keep this eye here. Now see.
Wow.
Understood?
Wow.
If you
Yes,
keep this
ma'am. Yes.
program, if you keep this program in on start, what will happen?
Yes, ma'am. It will be only for one. It will work only for
It
one
will
time.
work only
It will
one
work for
time.
once.
See, I'll show
It
you.
will work only for one time. For only one time, ma'am.
One time it will show one eye, and after that, the second
See,
eye.
after the first time it will stop. So that's not good. Okay, so you have to keep in forever block. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I want to ask you some
Okay, ma'am.
questions. In
Okay, ma'am.
last class we have learned the dice programming. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
And we
ma'am.
have learned dice programming with numbers. We showed the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, है ना?
Yes.
Yes. How we
Yes,
did that?
ma'am.
Anyone can guide me? Anyone?
Teacher, I can guide.
Who will guide?
Ashwin,
Yes,
Miniman, teacher.
Ashwin, tell.
So first we need to go to the basics.
Basics, okay.
We should bring a forever block
Forever, okay.
and we should get six. We should get a show number block
Show number,
and we should go to math.
math. Then
Show random number.
pick random number, yes. Then I have to keep in this, right?
Yeah.
Range will be from 1 to
Do six.
array is a collection of similar type of data. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The second point is an array is a collection of items stored at memory location. Memory location means in one we have one screen in that that is our memory location. Nothing but memory location. We are locating our memory or data. But array is a collection of. Collection means everyone is listening, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So an array is a collection of items stored at memory location. Nothing but a collection of data. Okay. Items means data. Collection of data. They are used to store similar type of data or elements. They are used to store similar type of data. We are using array to store the similar type of data and to get random numbers or random values of that particular data. Okay. So see, you can see this picture. These are similar type of data, right? Numbers 80, 60, 70, 85, 70.
We can't see, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can't see.
Yes, ma'am. We can't see, ma'am.
Now,
And John is presenting the screen.
Ma'am, we can see, ma'am.
You can see his screen.
Ma'am, we cannot
John?
see full screen, ma'am.
We cannot see, ma'am.
No, teacher.
No, ma'am.
except me, no one should share. No one should present your screen. Who is presenting?
John.
John Kiran.
Ma'am, just now some John Kirana, Shyam Kumar were presenting, ma'am. Like that it was showing.
Okay. So now see. Now you can see, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Array is a similar type of data we are storing. This is similar type of data, right? 80, 60, 70, 85, 75 numbers only, right? Not alphabets are there, right? Only numbers are there. These are the position of array. See this particular. Everyone, please go to mute. Mute your mic first. First of all, everyone.
Actually,
Yes. So array is we are storing similar type of data in array. This box are there now. This is the position of array. 0. It will start always with 0, not with 1. Okay. So this is we call marks 0 position, marks 1 position, marks 2 position, marks 3 position, marks 4 position. Okay. This is the simple way of learning the array. Array is nothing but a collection of data. Okay. Now we'll come to function. What is function? Function is nothing but a task. In our language, it's task that you are going to perform on your programming. You are doing some tasks, that is, you are doing some functions. Like, I think you have seen, like, if you are going to write, there will be write F. That is function. Write F is function. We have two types of function. Okay. I'm teaching you this with C language, okay, not with Java. These all are with C language. We have two types of function: library function and user defined function. Okay, library function means those like function already there. We have this basic one. See, I'll show you. I'll show you now library function and user defined function. Okay, all of you off your videos. See, these are the library function. See, basic show number is a function. These are the library function. If you see in JavaScript, you will get. I'll show you. See, basic dot show number. It's a function. See, it's coming function basic dot show number. It's a function. Okay. So these are the library function. And what is a user defined function? User defined function means what you are going to create. See, you are creating here variables, right? In the same way, you can create functions down. Functions. Okay. So in the same way, you can create function. User defined means whatever a man will create is a user defined function, and library function is what already created and given to us to do some programming. Okay. So you have learned about array and functions. Okay. Now can I ask?
yes, ma'am.
Jashwant?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Jashwant,
Yes, ma'am.
array. What is the array?
Array is a similar type of data at the memory station.
Collection of similar type of data. Okay. Collection of similar type of data. Okay. Shushant. Shushant. Sushant is the dice programming, dice with dots. Okay. So first we have to create functions. We will be creating two functions. Okay. How many functions? Two functions we are going to create. See, first you have to learn from starting what we are doing actually in dice programming. What we are. Please go to mute, everyone. Everyone go to mute. See, here we are setting the values or range, you can tell. We are setting a range to show on screen. So that is nothing but a set set a range. Okay, but if you want to do with dots, what we will call set the patterns. Okay, that is pattern, right? So we will be doing a set patterns, and the second function will be roll the dice. We are throwing dice, right? Here we will be using the word roll dice. Okay, so we have to create two function. I'll go to function, I'll make a function. What function I'll make? Set dice pattern. Okay, I'm creating one function, set dice patterns. Okay, if you'll click on done, it will all normally visible on your screen. Okay, after that you have to use arrays. We have already learned array is a collection of data. Now we have to give 6 images, or you can tell 6 data. We have to give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to use. So we have to use set list of array. We'll take this block. And see here only 2 values are set list to array of 6 values we have to keep. Here only 2 values are there, right? 0 and 1. Now we will increase in 6. Plus, if you'll click on plus, the value will increase. 4, 5, 6. Now you have 6. You can store 6 values here. Okay. Now we are going to store the values. We can use showlets here, but showlets will not fit in this pattern, right? This is round one, oval one, and this is not oval one, right? So we can't use showlets. Now if you'll go to down images, you will find this oval one. Create an image. Okay. Now you have to create our whatever you want on this screen. We have to create here. First dot. This is one number, right? And like this, we want how many? How many we want?
6.
So what we will do? We will click on this and duplicate. Like this, you have to take 6. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So first I'm going to fix in first one. First, okay. First is done. Now the second one. Second one I'll take from here. I'll fix here. Fix here in second one. Okay. So this is second one.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I am going to take third one. Third one I'll keep here. This is second now. So 2 dots. Here 3 dots.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Ma'am, your
fourth one
voice is
I'll take.
breaking, ma'am.
3, 4. Okay.
4.
Now 5 one, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
5.
6 1.
Yes, ma'am.
6 done.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to keep this one in this function. Okay, one number first. Now we will keep this one in this function. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Till now you understood. If you are not understanding, just ask me now, because if I'll explain full program, then it will be confusing one. If you understand, then only I can go further.
Ma'am, I not understood, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay, I'll explain again. Okay.
Ma'am, I did
Yes,
not.
ma'am.
What we have done, you just forget about this on check. Okay, it's not here. Okay, I'll just keep inside. Only you just focus on this one. What we have done, we have gone through the functions. We made a one function. What is the function name? Set dice pattern. We have created one function. Okay, set. You can write the steps. Just everyone write down the steps. I'm telling you. Okay. Take out your pen and book and write down the steps. We have to go to function and we have to make one function set dice patterns. Okay. Then we have to go to arrays and we have to take set list to array of this one, first one. Okay. When you will take this one here, see, I'll show you again. When you will take this one here, you have to give now 6 values, not 2 values. This one is showing only 2 values. You have to increase this one into 6. 3, right? Now 4. Now 5. Now 6. Okay. What now you have to do? Go to images and you have to take this one. Create image. Now in the same way, you have to keep this. You have to take 6 images and you have to place your, like, in how many. If you want one, you want to keep this one here. You can keep here. You can remove this one here from. Okay. In this way, you have to create 6 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 images, and you have to store in this one. Set list of. Okay. Already it's stored one. Now you have to keep that full program in function set dice pattern. Okay. Now understood? Everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
ma'am,
Now
you
we
told
have to call. Yes. Yes. Ashwin, ask.
you told we should keep it means randomly, ma'am. But how are we gonna do that, ma'am?
Just 1 second. Let me finish my program now.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. So the first function is completed. Function set dice pattern. We have set it dice pattern. How in which pattern we want to display on screen, we have set it. Okay. Now we have to go for second function. What is the second function our? What is our second function?
The numbers should come randomly when we
No.
shake the
I
dice.
told you 2 functions we are going to use: set dice pattern and roll the dice. These are the 2 functions we are going to perform today. Okay. So now I'll go to function and I'll create one more function, that is roll dice. We are in when we are playing Ludo or some games, we are throwing the dice, right?
Yes, teacher.
That is nothing but a
ma'am.
roll dice. Okay, that is nothing but a roll dice. Okay, so we are creating a new function, roll dice. Okay.
Okay.
Now in normal programming, what we are doing? Show number, pick random 1 to 6. Now we want this images randomly, right? Not with continuously, right? We want randomly. So we will keep it as random one. How we can keep? Here what we have done, we have set it dice pattern.
Set dice pattern.
Now we have to get the patterns. What we have to get with C. You can think as an input. We have given input. Now here we want, in second function, we want output. So get. We have set a dice pattern. Now we want get dice patterns. Okay. So we will use the get function. In arrays you have. See, this is the set patterns 2. Now we will go to get patterns. List get value. Okay. This we are going to take, and in this one we are keeping this pick random. Okay. So the list will be randomly. This list get value will be randomly. Okay? Understood or not?
Ma'am, can you say?
Yes, ma'am.
See what we have done.
Yes,
Again,
ma'am.
value. Wait. See, in this function, we have setted our values, patterns, what we want on our screen. Now, in this function, in roll dice function, we will get our patterns. Means we want output on our screen. In this one, we have given inputs. What we have done? We have given some inputs. Those we want on our screen. Now, in this function, we will get our inputs. Okay? So that is nothing but output. So to get our function, what we will use? Get functions, right? What we used? Here what we have used? Set functions, right? Set list.
Yes, ma'am.
Here what we have used? Set
Yes, ma'am.
list. Now
Set
here
list.
what we will use? Get list. Okay? Go to arrays and the down list get value. Okay? List of get values. Now we want randomly, right? So we will keep this block pick random 1 to 6. Okay? Okay, so this is what we want get in get function. What we want? This images, right? Not a list, not 1 2 3 4 5 6. We want this images what we have given, right? So we will use
Yes, ma'am.
images. Go to image, show image. This one we are going to use, and this one we are keeping in my image. And see, you can see this my image is removed, so we can refresh it. Now what is our program? Show image, list, get value at pick random 1 to 6. Now it will give you the random values. Okay? Understood
Yes,
till
ma'am.
here? If not, just you can ask me.
Understood,
If not,
ma'am.
you can ask me. Okay? Yes. Now what we want, we have two ways to start the program. First, what we have to do, we have to on from here and then we have to shake, right? We need to finish two steps to on our program, right? On start and on shake. Only if you'll keep on shake, it will not open now. It will not on your program from here now. So we want two stages to finish our program. The first one is on start and the second one is on shake. So we will take on shake and on start. First we will take on start and the on shake. Okay. In on shake, on start, what do you want? On start, what do you want? You want both the functions, right? This function also and this function also.
Yes, ma'am.
You have
Yes,
to,
ma'am.
when you are starting a program, you have to give in inputs also and you have to get outputs also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Is it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Both the functions you have to keep in this on start. When your program will start, first you have to give inputs, then you have to get the outputs. Okay? So first we will give this set dice pattern. Now go to your functions. You have created one, right? See, call. Call means you're calling someone, right? You're calling one function. When you are starting your program, you have to call one function, right? That is call set dice pattern you have called. Second function is call roll dice. Both the functions you called, right? Called means nothing but start. Okay? In
Yes,
C++
ma'am.
language or in Java language, we will use these words, call, functions, like this. Okay?
Okay,
Now
I
in
have a doubt.
OnShake, what we just let me finish. It's one step only. Okay? Then I'll clear your doubts. In OnShake, what you want? Already here you have given the call set dice pattern. Now OnShake, what you want? Which function you want? When you are shaking, what should happen when you are shaking the
Roll
shake?
dice. We have to hold
Roll
dice.
dice, right? And here it's done. See now. When you on the program from here, see, you have given this image, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 4, 5,
Yes, ma'am.
3. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
1. Yes. Now you can ask me doubts. Ask. If you have any doubt in this program, you can ask me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
ma'am, I am Pallavi.
Yes.
So
Yes, Pallavi, ask.
in arrays, what you have used, ma'am, for dice?
In arrays, I have used we have to give inputs, right? In
Yes,
normal
ma'am.
language, we are telling, we have to give inputs. In C++ language
Yes.
or JavaScript, you will call it as set the list and get the list. Okay?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
language is little bit tricky, but it's easy. In normal language, what we will call inputs. We are giving inputs. In this language, you will tell set list and get list. Okay? So we have used the set list first, and we have increased the 6 numbers. And we have then created this image, and we have placed this image here. We have used this one in first function. In second function, we used get values. This list of get values. Any other doubts?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Any other doubts?
Ma'am,
Yes.
my name is
Introduce.
Shrestha, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
my name is Shrestha. And if you want to create a function, we need to create the function, ma'am.
If you want to create function, go to function, make a function and create.
Okay, ma'am.
Any function you can create. I'll create set values. Set values.
Yes, ma'am.
See, you came here.
If you don't have any data, you can create the function.
Yes. You can create the functions, and you have functions already, right? These are the functions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Any other question?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, my name is Sanvi.
Yes, Sanvi.
Ma'am, instead of when we go to functions, instead of inserting the name roll dice or and all, you can keep another
It's
name.
your name. Yes. It's your wish only. You can, instead of roll dice, you can write throw dice. It's your wish.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. It's your wish. You can give your name also. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Any other?
No, ma'am.
Any other question? I want this video by tomorrow. Everyone should send by tomorrow.
Ma'am,
Why?
Ma'am, why only we use a array of, ma'am? Why can't we use another one?
Why we can't use what?
Why did we use that array of, ma'am? Why can't we use another one?
What you have learned? I told you we need to use collection of data. We have, see, this many images you can store any other block. You have any other block to store these like 6 images?
This one.
Which block you have? Just tell me the name.
Set text list to.
Text list means you have to give here alphabets. Only alphabets you can give here. Okay, here we are not using alphabets. Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
By tomorrow, all of you have to send this video. Anyhow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
If you have any doubt, you can ask me now.
Okay, ma'am.
Nothing you have to do. You have to make 2 functions first. Set dice pattern, roll dice. Okay? In set dice function, you have to give inputs. So that you have to use set list. Okay? After selecting the list, you have to give these images.
Okay, ma'am.
This images you will found in images. Okay. In images,
Okay,
go to
ma'am.
images and take this block. Okay. After that, what you have to go to? You have to take second function, roll dice. In roll dice, you have to get the random values, right? So what you'll do? We have to take the get list. Okay, get values. Go to the same array and get value. And here pick random. In normal one we are using, right? In normal dice one. Pick random 1 to 6, and then you have to keep this whole one in show image. This first one you will find an image block. Okay, you have to keep this one here. Okay, after keeping this one here, to complete your program you have two steps, right? You have to on first your chip. See, if you are using this one physically, you have to on this chip, right? First, then you can shake. Without owning, you can't shake the button, right? So you have to use two functions, on start and on shake. In on start, you have to call both the functions, roll dice function and set dice patterns. You have to call both the functions. But in on shake, you have to only call roll dice. Okay. Now this is very simple. If you'll think and if you'll do with your mind now, it's very simple program. Nothing is there. In first program you have to set, and the second function you have to get. In on start you have to keep both the function. In on shake you have to keep only roll dice. That's it. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood,
Okay.
ma'am.
So I'll take attendance also now. Puna
Okay,
sir.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Puna sir. Okay,
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
take.
Yeah.
Just take the attendance. By tomorrow, I want everyone to send video in WhatsApp group.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
And like
Okay,
this
ma'am.
only, you have to try another programs also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So this only. Just remember.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, my
Yes.
name is Sanvi.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Hanvi.
what is JavaScript?
JavaScript not is a name. Java is a language. You have heard about C++, right? C++, C language, Python language. Same as Java language. JavaScript means
Okay.
script means nothing but a program, right?